My name is Jeff Chen. I'm an associate professor and the director of craniofacial graduate program. My lab research focuses on developmental brain disorder and craniofacial neuroscience. A typical project in the lab is microcephaly, which is a type of developmental brain disorder characterized by smaller brain size and neurocognitive dysfunction. This can be caused by genetic mutation or environmental risk factor, such as Zika virus infection during the pregnancy. We use a very powerful approach called brain organoid to model this disease. This brain organoid provides us opportunity to directly study human brain and human brain disease in a petri dish. This can often studied by using genome editing approach to introduce human disease mutation into embryonic stem cell, followed by the generation of brain organoid. These kids with developmental brain disorder oftentimes have neurocognitive dysfunction, which gives them a hard time in learning, memory, and social interaction with other kids. Therefore, we also use genetically modified mouse to model those neurocognitive behavior. Being able to go back and forth between human brain organoid and the mouse model really provides us unique strengths and opportunity to comprehensively investigate why and how those diseases occur in the first place, and if and how we can develop potential therapeutic treatment to better treat those devastating disorders. The second direction in the lab is craniofacial neuroscience. We studied this direction mainly because this fantastic craniofacial research environment in the CCMB. There's a strong leadership, great administration team, wonderful colleagues, very, very supportive research environment. So we all have our own scientific interest and research focus. Meanwhile, we respect each other's investigation. We love to collaborate with each other, but we are not forced to do so. Since I joined the CCMB 2017, I always wanted to bring my expertise in neuroscience into craniofacial field. So now we are able to identify some unique research direction by which can integrate my neuroscience background with CCMB craniofacial environment strengths. We investigate the neurological aspect of craniofacial disorder. We study how neural regulate craniofacial tissue development, regeneration, and stem cell biology. Overall, CCMB is not just an academic home for my laboratory, but also really reshaped my career. The goal of my lab research is to identify novel disease mechanism and therapeutic opportunity for congenital brain and craniofacial disorder. I hope the discovery from my laboratory can ultimately be translated into better care and treatment for neurologic and craniofacial disorder.